what we're going to do now is, if you want to press measure workpiece then again, yeah, and then we're going to use that icon, which is 3 points, and we're going to go P1 there, P2, and P3.
Do the changes before or after?
Do it now, I'd say, yeah. Curse it down then, and across. Cross one, no, not that. Press that again, select, yeah, and across, yeah. Press select, 56, yeah. And you've got a choice of corners, but I'll show you that in a minute.
Okay.
No, you don't need to do anything. That's got it. So P1 is sort of near to that bottom left-hand corner, isn't it? You just got to watch the body of that now on that bolt, yeah. Probably be clear. This is where a long stylus is always better. You know, you'll never get any issues if you get the longest stylus. Not quite on the 0, is it? Oh, yeah. That's better, yeah. And then that's gonna be our P1, so press P1. Yep, now it's asking for P2. Now if you take your X and just go quite a way over in X, because obviously you want to give it the best possible chance. Yeah. Yeah, a bit more if you can. That's it. Straight back in Y. And that's going to be your P2. Yep. Now if you go back in Y towards yourself, yeah, I'd go around it as opposed to going over it, because that way you're not going to move Z, which is always a good idea to keep Z. And again, that end face, just keep your eye on that body all the while. That end face, you want to be round about the middle of it if you can. Give yourself the best chance. Obviously it's making the assumption that the part is relatively square. And then we're going to move along in X. It's nice. So now we're going to press the P3. Okay. And then we're going to press this set work offset. Okay. And that's set, and you can make that active if you want, so we'll say make it active. Now what you'll see, if we look in these if we look in the work offset now, you'll see on G56 that it says it's rotated. Okay, so if we look at details, you can see, if we just go through it, 56, it's got a rotation of 16 degrees 0.896, 16.896 degrees. That's its rotation. Now take it right up in Z, well above the job in Z. That's enough, that's enough. Now select your X-axis and move it in X. See what it's doing?
Yeah.
See it? Clever, isn't it? Now move your Y. It's amazing, I love that. Okay. So that's what it's done, it's rotated the part. Let's go into our position. So press machine, yeah, and go TSM, yeah. We'll go position. We're in that work offset, okay. So type in X0, Y0. Yep. And if you hit your cycle start when you close the door, yep, and then hit your cycle start, and she'll come over to this bottom left hand corner. Okay?
Yeah.
If you now type in X100, yeah, hit your cycle start, and you'll see it's moving along, rotated X100.
Yeah.
So everything you do now is just completely rotated by that angle.